Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. The Speaker House of Representatives, Abbas Tajuddin, on Saturday called for urgent reforms in Nigerians' education, stressing that the growing youth population must be educated and empowered. The Nigerian Union of Journalists, Zamfara State Chapter, has celebrated the appointment of its treasurer, Jamilu Sani Kogo, as district head by the Amir of Tsafe in the state. The fatal road accident involves two DAF model trucks on Sunday in Magama Gamau town. Bauchi has claimed one life, others injured. This update is brought to you by the News Chronicle. You can share your view in the comment sections, like, comment and share. Now, insecurity, a vigilant chairman killed in Bukos Plateau ambush. The incident occurred on Saturday evening at about 6:30 p.m. Police arrest 4 suspected kidnappers in Rijau local government area of Niger State and recover firearms on Saturday. Bandit have launched a deadly attack in 2 villages in Zamfara State. 1 person died, several others abducted on Friday. Police arrest 4 notorious armed robbers and car snatchers and recover stolen vehicles in Abuja. Now, politics. It is revenge time for opposing my father's re-election. Bauchi governor's son tells Atiku Abubakar. Senator Natasha raises alarm over alleged plan to resubmit forged petition to INEC. Northern Conscience Movement warns Nigerians over El-Rufai shifting alliance. Still on politics, your alliance is a joint venture that will not work, APC National Chairman Abdullahi Umar Ganduje tells oppositions. Former APC governorship candidate in Kebbi State, Malam Salihu, fingers Kebbi State governor over defections rumor. Now, from the international scene, Tanzania opposition parties bar from the upcoming general election. UN says child was raped every half an hour in 2 months in Eastern Democratic Congo. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. You can follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment and share. Thank you and see you next.